Hello everyone, I'm Kristen, your AI PANTO representative.
Here is a step-by-step guide on how to buy PANTO glasses online. Welcome to pantoglasses.com, your destination for premium classic-style eyewear. Step 1. Explore our modern vintage-style collection. Find the model of PANTO that speaks to you. Step 2. Try before you buy with our virtual try-on feature. It's like having a mirror right on your screen. Step 3. Choose your lenses. Whether you need single vision or progressive, we've got you covered with quality optics. Step 4. Enter your prescription. Enter your prescription details on our easy-to-use form. It's straightforward and secure. Define the prescription type for easy identification of your new glasses. Step 5. Add to cart. Add your customized glasses to the cart. If you need any help along the way, check out the FAQ or get in touch from the contact page. And there you have it. A fresh pair of PANTO glasses is on its way to you. Enjoy! Be PANTO!